Hi everyone! Today I'm going to give you a brief run through of how to use the app iExcel. Now I know what you're thinking, right when you look at it there is a lot of information. Where do I even start? Not to worry, I'm going to guide you through it right now, you just gotta bear with me. Now there are many grade levels that can use this app, but today I'm going to be showing you how to use it as a third grader, specifically for math class. So I hope I'm talking about you sitting right there. Before we figure out how to use the app, I'm going to tell you what it is. This app is going to help you practice and strengthen your skills on what you're learning in the classroom. So hopefully it won't be new information and that you are somewhat familiar with it when you're getting into the app. iExcel focuses on many subjects including math, science, social studies, and Spanish, but your teacher or parent might only have you use this app for one specific subject. Before you get into the app, when you're doing your homework and practicing, your teacher hopefully already or will give you a login username and password. This is your information to track your progress, so make sure you keep it in a safe place or memorize it. So right when you get in the app, at the very top, you're going to look at username and password. And you are going to write in the one your teacher gave you, and I'm going to write in the one my teacher gave me. Anna Telepack 402, and then my password. There we go. And then I am going to have them remember me and sign in. Oops, sign in. There we go. So the first time you log in, your teacher is going to ask you to take a test. This won't count as a grade, so don't worry. This test is just going to show your teacher what you know and what you might struggle with. It'll help your teachers help you strengthen those struggle spots. So to take the test, you're going to go all the way up to diagnostic. And then I'm going to step into the arena. And it's going to give you a couple of questions to answer. So since we're doing math, it's going to give you some math questions. And you're going to type them into the little boxes. And then click submit and it'll take you to the next question. And just for the diagnostic, if you don't know the question or just haven't been taught it, you can click on I don't know this yet, right over here. Now, once you've completed the test, you're ready to practice. So we're going to go back to learning right up here. After class each day, your teacher or parent will tell you which lesson you need to work on. So let's say I worked on multiplication today in math class, but only how to multiply by 0 and 1. At the end of class, my teacher would tell me and write on the board to work on F1 and F2 for homework. She wants my score up to 100, my SMART score, for it to be done. So I'm going to go to math. Since I'm in third grade, I'm going to go all the way down. She said F1 and F2, A, B, C, D, E. So there we go. F, multiplication skill builders. And 1 and 2, multiply by 0 and 1. So I'm going to click on multiply by 1. So you're going to answer a certain amount of questions, and when you get them right, your SMART score over here is going to go up. And right here you can see how many questions you answered. So I'm going to show you. 10 times 1 is 10. And I'm going to click submit. And there we go. My SMART score went up to a 10 and it shows me I answered one question. And once I get to 100, I can go on to the next one. So your teacher, if you answer a certain amount of questions or do well in specific lessons, you're going to receive awards. So if you go all the way up to the right, it'll say awards right there. Right here, it shows everything you've done. Let me go down. Your awards will pop up in these little squares once you earn them. I don't know about you, but I would want to fill out all of them. Now I hope this helped you out a little to make this app a little less overwhelming. Make sure you keep up with your work so that you can earn as many awards as you can. Good luck!